Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 40SE, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and when you see your boot options up here, you want to hold power off. This will then change into a reboot to safe mode. So quickly going to the message, a reboot into safe mode. This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So I'm going to confirm it by tapping on OK, and all I need to do is just wait for the device to boot back up. Now while it's doing so, I'm just going to quickly mention, because this explanation that was visible wasn't necessarily the best, so this mode is primarily used for troubleshooting your device. If you have some kind of problems, you would boot it into safe mode, fix your problem, and then just kind of get out of there. The reason that would be the case is because in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications that come with the device when you first set it up will function, and sometimes not even all of them. And any app that you have installed will be temporarily disabled, so you won't be able to turn it on whatsoever, neither will the app will be able to turn itself on. So obviously you're only limited to the default apps. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, we are in safe mode, which you can see right here at the bottom. And let's give it a second. Now that it's booting into it, you can see that on the second page I have a plethora of applications that are temporarily disabled. You can obviously gather that because they become semi-transparent, so yeah. And even if you try to open them up, it gives you this pop-up that the downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. So that is how you boot into it, and once you're done with this mode, you can leave it by holding the power button and selecting restart. Once the device boots back up again, it will automatically go back to the normal mode. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.